BF Blast Automatic System Sandblasting Pot Installation. The 1-inch air hose from the compressor tank is connected to the air inlet of the machine. The sandblasting hose is connected with a claw coupling to the sand outlet at the bottom. Pneumatic hoses are connected by color, blue on top, red at the bottom. Sand is added from the top of the pot. The sand amount is adjusted using the sand control valve. A nozzle is connected to the other end of the sand hose. Protective equipment must be worn before sandblasting. The ball valve is opened to activate the pressure system. Pull the pneumatic trigger to start sandblasting.